creation was in this country. The King's County gentlemen o'er hills, dales and rocks, they rode along so joyfully in search of a fox. Tally-ho, hark away, tally-ho, hark away, tally-ho, hark away, me boys away, hark away. When Reynard was started, he faced Tullamore and Arklow and Wicklow along the seashore. We kept his brush in view every yard of the way, and straight he made his course for the streets of Rostrade. Tally-ho, hark away, tally-ho, hark away, tally-ho, hark away, me boys away, hark away. For Reynard, sly Reynard, lay hid there that night, and we swore we would watch him until the daylight. Next morning, early morning, our hills did resound with the sweet smell of horses and the sweet cry of hounds. Tally-ho, hark away, tally-ho, hark away, tally-ho, hark away, me boys away, hark away. When Reynard was started, he faced to the hollow where none but the footmen and the hounds they could follow. The gentleman cried, watch him, what will he do? If the rocks do not stop him, he will cross to Killaloo. Tally-ho, hark away, tally-ho, hark away, tally-ho, hark away, me boys away, hark away. Wishes to fulfill, he sent for pen and paper and ink to write his will. And what he made mention of, we found it no thank for. He gave us all a check on the National Bank. Oh, to you, Mr. Casey, I leave my whole estate, and to you, Mr. Johnson, my money and my plate. I give to you, Sir Manahan, my whips, spurs and cap. For you jumped o'er hedge and ditches, and you nailed a for a gap. Tally-ho, hark away, tally-ho, hark away, tally-ho, hark away, me boys away, hark away. Tally-ho, hark away, tally-ho, hark away, tally-ho, hark away, me boys away, hark away. Tally-ho, hark away, tally-ho,